Hello, I'm Jean Gray, publisher of American Entrepreneurship Today. Welcome to this special video tutorial from our Experience Voices podcast series. You often have less than a minute to make a lasting impression on a potential investor. A great elevator pitch serves as a high-impact hook to spark a conversation. Today, we're breaking down the essential framework to nail your 60-second pitch that leaves your audience wanting more. Let's dive in. You're at a conference, in an airport lounge, or yes, even an elevator. Someone asks you, "So what do you do?" You have exactly 60 seconds to move them from polite interest to "tell me more." Most founders fail here because they try to explain their entire business. Today, we're breaking down the high-stakes elevator pitch into a 4-part framework that works every time. By the end of this video, you'll have a script that's VC ready and memorable. Don't start with your name and title. Start with the problem. Use a "did you know" or imagine if statement. You want to anchor your pitch in a massive pain point. If the listener doesn't feel the problem, they won't value the solution. Example: did you know that 70% of logistics companies still rely on manual spreadsheets to track international freight? It's a $10 billion inefficiency problem. Now introduce your company as the hero. Describe what you do in one clear, jargon-free sentence. Avoid buzzword soup. Instead of saying you're a leveraged AI-driven synergistic platform, say, "We built an automated dashboard that syncs global supply chains in real time." Focus on the outcome, not just the features. What is the one thing you do better than anyone else? Investors care about venture scale. This is where you prove you aren't just a project, you're a business. Mention your North Star metric. Maybe it's your month-over-month growth, a major pilot program, or a unique proprietary technology. Example: in the last 6 months, we've onboarded enterprise clients and hit $20,000 in MRR. We're targeting a $2 billion market that is ripe for disruption. Never end a pitch with, "So yeah, that's it." End with a call to action. If you're talking to an investor, your goal isn't to check, it's a meeting. Try this. "We're currently raising our seed round to scale our engineering team. I'd love to show you our deck and see if there's an alignment. Do you have 10 minutes free next Tuesday?" That's it. Hook, solution, proof, and ask. Practice it until it feels like conversation, not a recital. Record yourself, trim the fat, and keep it under a minute. If you found this framework helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into founder fundamentals. Now go out, nail that pitch.